Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are talking about this letter again. Who remembers the name of this letter? This is E. And E is a vowel, which means it makes two sounds. It goes E. Let's say that together. E says E. E. We have our alpha friend for the letter E that we talked about yesterday. Her name is Edna Elephant, and her ear and her trunk are shaped like a lowercase e. You can still almost picture them on the other side, even without the E over top of it. We're going to do our starfall activity for the letter E, and then we will learn how to write E. We've got a story to read too.
E.
Click that uppercase E. Sometimes we call it a capital letter.
Let's
make that E sound when I click the lowercase e. That is the short E sound. It also makes a long sound where it says its own name and says E.
Elephant. Eggs. Enter. Enter. Exit. Exit.
Oh, we've got a little
Drag the
E
letters
sort.
to the correct nest.
I'm going to kind of show
Capital
you how to do this.
E. Lowercase e.
And then I will post it so you guys can play this on your own at home. So you're just going to sort them into the nest. If they're a capital E, or like this one, a lowercase e. Alright, so we're going to sort all the E's into their nests.
Well done.
Alright, and I will post a link of that so you can do it at home too. We're going to read our E story. This is called My E-Book. And I want you to put your listening ears on and listen for those E sounds while we read. Little E had a box. I will fill my box, he said. Little E found eggs. Eggs and more eggs. He put the eggs into his box. Little E found elves. The elves danced and danced. Then little E put the elves into his box. The elves played with the eggs. Be careful, elves, said little E. Now the box was heavy, so little E found an elephant, a big elephant. Hop on, said the elephant. The elephant went up and down. The eggs fell out of the box. The elves fell too. And so did little E. What a mess, little E said. Now who will help me fill my box? An Eskimo came by. I will help you, he said. We will find lots of eggs. Guess where he found eggs for little E? Guess who had pretty eggs for everyone? The Easter Bunny. More words with little E. We've got elevator, envelope. And it says little E has another sound in some words. He says his name. Listen for little E's name. Eagle, eel, emu, and Easter all have that long E sound. We're going to learn how to write E today. So I want you to get out your E writing page that looks like this. I'm going to use a marker so it shows up for you all, but you need to use your pencil. When we're doing writing, we always use our pencil. First thing we're going to do is put our name on the top. We always put our name on the top. So I'm going to write Miss Burton on my paper. Whoopsie. You write your name on the top of yours. All right. And I'm going to show you how to do uppercase E first. So just put your pencil down and watch. Uppercase E goes big line down, line across the top, line across the middle, line across the bottom. Pick your pencil up and let's trace that uppercase E together. Big line down, line across the top, line across the middle, line across the bottom. Now lowercase e is one of the trickiest letters to write. And a lot of times boys and girls do not make it correctly, so watch me very carefully. Okay? We're going to make sure we make our lowercase e correctly. You're going to start kind of in between the middle line and the bottom line. And you're going to go across, and then you're going to go around like a C. Pick your pencil up and do that with me. Across, around like a C. Alright, we're going to come down and do some more practice. Let's trace this row of uppercase E. Say it with me while we trace. Big line down, line across the top, line across the middle, line across the bottom. Big line down, line across the top, line across the middle, line across the bottom. Big line down, line across the top, line across the middle, line across the bottom. Keep going and trace that whole row of uppercase E's. E says E. It makes those two sounds because it is a vowel. Alright, then we're going to come down and we're going to make a row of uppercase E's on our own. I'm going to start at the top line. Big line down, line across the top, line across the middle, line across the bottom. Big line down, line across the top, line across the middle, line across the bottom. Keep going and fill up that row with uppercase E's, nice and neat. Take your time, make sure your big line down goes all the way from the top line to the bottom. Alright, now we're going to come down and do that lowercase e. Now this is one of these pages, anytime you need to hit pause and finish your row, you can do that. I'm going to move on to lowercase e. Watch me closely. You're going to go across, around like a C. 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 Notice I don't ever pick up my marker. I go across, up and around like a C. It stays under the middle line. I'm going to come down and make a row of lowercase e's. I'm going to start kind of in between the middle line and the bottom line. Go across, around like a C. 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 Alright, we're going to come down and practice both of those again. We're going to do uppercase and lowercase. Big line down, across the top, across the middle, across the bottom. Across, around like a C. Uppercase, then lowercase. Oop, my paper keeps sticking. Then we're going to come down and we're going to write them our own in a pattern. We're going to do an uppercase. Big line down, across the top, across the middle, across the bottom. Across, around like a C. Big line down, across the top, across the middle, across the bottom. Across, around like a C. Alright, when you're done with your E's, you can color your elephant at the top, and then we have one other E page we're going to do. We're going to do this I Spy letter E, this paper that looks like this. I'm going to show you the directions for this one, and then you're going to do it on your own. We're looking for lowercase e's. You can color this one in the spyglass to start. I'm going to find a couple for you, and then you're going to finish and do it on your own. So you're going to look for all the lowercase e's. I see one right there. So I'm going to color him. I see another one here. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to find all the lowercase e's and color them. You can use your crayons for this part. Then you're going to switch back to your pencil and do a little more practice with those lowercase e's at the bottom. Cross around like a C. Across, around like a C. Alright, so find all your lowercase e's on this page, color them, and then use your pencil to trace the lowercase e's at the bottom. I will talk to you all tomorrow. We will be reviewing our 2 letters from this week tomorrow. I'll see you then.